All right, traders, watch this video for Thursday, August 8th. Showing the SPY here. We had a big range again today on the SPY. It looked like the market, gapped down, looked like it was tanking, and then a big reversal to the upside. We're getting huge ranges in the market, which is actually pretty fun for day traders. Nice teamwork in chat today. For those of you that don't ever hang out, and after hours, some of us hang out sometimes during earnings season, put forth some ideas. I put forth MNST down here around 52 in chat in after hours on earnings. I grabbed it at exactly 52. My best sell was 56. It went back to almost 60 at one point, I think. But $4 a share on some of my shares in after hours, that was pretty fun. It was actually ended up being my best trade of the day. So if you want to, chat room members, come hang out with us in after hours during earnings season. A few of us kind of hang out and trade. All right, so what are we watching for tomorrow? Weight Watchers, keep in mind, I'm just going to show you several stocks in a row real quick here that were just as simple as this. Really strong, high volume, and strong closes we're going to watch for, for the next several days. A lot of times after a big day like this, the very next day isn't the day to trade it. That you want them to flag or pull in for a couple days, but sometimes you get a nice red to green or something. So keep in mind, I'm in cash every night. I'm just looking for stuff that might make me some money tomorrow if I get an A+ intraday setup. Always keep that in mind when you watch my videos. So anyway, WW is one of them. MTCH, big move there. OMI, same thing, strong volume, big pop, fairly strong close. PRTK, same thing, right? ASMB, never traded this one before. Nice volume and a strong close. MAXR, this one had a nice pop back here, kind of flagged for a while, then rolled over, right? And then during the weak market recently, it's just been straight sideways. So nice relative strength, and then a little turn up on big volume for the stock today. So we'll see if that one's got something cooking. OSTK, overstock, really strong stock lately and held up well during the market downturn. Kind of flagging here below the 2250 area. Certainly want to watch that one. SLDB. This one had this nice pop back here and really straight sideways ever since. Only traded 286,000 today, so I'm going to watch it. I'm going to need kind of like a high volume pop to kind of break out of this and maybe Tokyo it if I get that. Otherwise, I probably won't mess with it because it's trading too thin. RUBI is a really strong stock, few days lower, and a nice bounce today. We'll see if it follows through tomorrow, right? VRAY, another day. This was on Bounce Watch, and it's really beaten up, but it's fallen pretty quickly to take out these, what month was this? Early May lows. And whenever you have a kind of a clear, discernible, somewhat recent low on the chart, and then the stock falls pretty quickly, several days in a row to get there, instead of this being a short as it breaks down below this, a lot of times you can get a nice snapback bounce. So we'll see if VRAY gives us a setup tomorrow. DCP, really beaten up, almost straight down to these lows from December. So maybe we get a snapback bounce there. And then FLR, a really beaten up stock as well. This was all the way back in October. This was all the way above 60. And now just straight down, fairly narrow range today. So this one might be ready to turn up nicely. We'll see. Actually pierced down below 20 today. So that one goes on Bounce Watch. We'll add gappers in the pre-market. And teamwork's been fantastic. So let's just keep it up. It feels like there's always somebody finding something to trade. And if you didn't see my little video clips on Twitter today, there's some. I usually try to put out some examples of some really quality posts in chat that help alert all of us. And oftentimes, when one of our A+ setups from our trading course is forming, right? Oftentimes we see 3 or 4 people posting it before it triggers. So that's a huge compliment to the teamwork in the room, and a huge compliment to all the course takers that you guys are seeing the setups. Not only seeing them and posting them so everyone can see them before they trigger, but just the fact that you guys are recognizing them. And the more people that are posting them, the better chance that we're all going to have. We kind of did a group trading overstock today, right? And Jane's great post in Apple. So we're seeing that all the time. Let's keep that up. We'll see you in chat tomorrow. Have a good night.